Greetings people, this is C-Vibes Tech. In this video, I will show you how to purchase a game for someone else from Steam, and I will use Euro Truck Simulator 2 as an example. So before we get started, if this is your first time to come across this channel, please consider subscribing and liking this video. So the first thing you need to do is open your Steam application, either on your PC or mobile phone. Go to the search bar and type the game you want to purchase for your friend. Like I said earlier on, I will be searching for Euro Truck Simulator 2. Scroll down and click on the game that you want to purchase. Click on Add to Cart. Then View My Cart. Make sure in your car there is only the game you intend to purchase. So in my case, I'm going to remove the second game right there, which is the BeamNG. Click on the drop-down menu to select who you are purchasing the game for. In this case, select This is a gift. Then after that, select the gift recipient. Make sure the recipient is your friend on Steam, and if he is not, go and add him to your friends list. Click on Continue to Payment and add your payment details. Agree to the terms and conditions and click on Purchase. A notification will be sent to your friend, and all he has to do now is to go to his Steam library and download the game. Thank you so much for watching.
Turn right. Turn right.